Hello everybody, welcome back to my Introduction to Bash Scripting video series. In this video we're going to cover the Bash conditionals and mainly the Bash if statements and how to use them. Okay, so if we head to our terminal, in the last video we created a file called devdojo.com. Let's go ahead and rename that to devdojo.sh with the mv command. Okay, that's done. And now again, with your favorite text editor, open the file. And again, let's go ahead and clear that. We're going to write a short script that is going to ask the user for their name, and if their name is empty, it would let them know that they need to provide their name. Let's start with a comment, and let's call this just something descriptive, bash if statement example. Then on the next line, let's use the read command and ask the user for their name. So read -p, what is your name? And then followed by the name of the variable. After that, to create an if statement, what you need to do is just type if, then put 2 square brackets, and then 2 closing square brackets. Inside the brackets is where we would put our logic. So with a -z, then followed by the name of the variable, we would be able to check if the variable is empty or not. Then on the next line, the syntax of the if statement is just the then word followed by the thing that you want to do in case that the variable is empty. In our case, we would want to just echo out a simple statement saying that the name should be entered. So we could do echo, please enter your name. After that, let's add an else condition so that if the first if condition is not met, then we have a fallback statement. So in our case, if the variable is empty, we would echo out, please enter your name, and else, if the variable actually has a value, then we would like to print out a greeting message. So we could do just echo hi there, followed by the name of the variable. Then to close the if statement, you just need to type fi, which is basically if backwards. Then save that and let's run it. So just do bash, then followed by the name of the script. We are being asked for our name. If we say Bobby here, then we are getting the greet message. Let's run this again without specifying any input. So now the variable is empty and we are getting the please enter your name output. Okay, now let's go ahead and update the script a little bit and let's change the logic. What we would do is specify an admin username. So let's call this DevDojo, and then we're going to ask the user for their username. And if their username doesn't match the admin username that we specified here, then they should get a message that they are not the admin user. And if it matches, then they would get a message that the user is the admin user. Inside this statement, what we can do is specify the name of the username variable and check if it equals to the admin username that we specified a little bit above. What I like to do is to put the then statement on the same line as the if statement. It makes things a little bit more easier to read for me. And then here, if the username matches the admin username, then they should get a message that they are the admin. Else, if it doesn't match, then they should get a message that the username that they've entered doesn't match the admin username. So basically we are checking the two variables inside the if statement, and if they're the same, we are printing out the you're an admin user message. Save that and let's exit. Let's go ahead and make this file executable with the chmod command, and then let's run it. So the first time we're being asked for our username, I'll put my username here, and as it doesn't match the admin username that we specified in the script, we are getting a you're not an admin user message. Let's run the script again, and this time let's enter the correct admin user. And sure enough, we are getting the you're an admin user message. If we run it again and don't enter any input, we would again hit the you're not an admin user, as the input that we've entered doesn't match the admin variable that we specified inside the script. And this is going to be pretty much it for this video. You've learned how to use a bash if statement. In the next video, we're going to cover bash loops. I hope you find it useful by far, and if so, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.